The Avebury Stone Circle, located in Wiltshire, England, is one of the planet's most amazing prehistoric megalithic sites. Built approximately 2500 BC, this Neolithic structure is both awe-inspiring and mysterious. Its scale, purpose, and mystique attract visitors and researchers. With a circumference of around 331 meters, the Avebury site is the biggest stone circle in Europe. It is notable for its expansiveness, which includes a large circular bank and ditch. The outermost circle is surrounded by two smaller stone circles. There is a wide range of sizes among the stones, with some towering to heights of more than 4 meters. Unlike the more famous Stonehenge, Avebury leaves the stones unsculpted and in their natural state. This contributes to the natural atmosphere of the monument. The surrounding landscape, dotted with ancient barrows and earthworks, offers further evidence of the place's significance during prehistoric times. When seen from a historical perspective, it is believed that the creation of Avebury Stone Circle was a collaborative endeavor that spanned multiple generations. The reason for the stone circle is still a matter of contention within the community. There are a few hypotheses that indicate that it was a place of religious or ceremonial significance, while others propose that it actually served as a gathering place for seasonal festivals and ceremonies. Significant shifts occurred at the location over the course of several centuries. The religious passion and superstition that prevailed during the Middle Ages certainly led to the toppling of a significant number of stones. Later on, during the 17th and 18th centuries, additional destruction took place as a result of the breaking and removal of stones for the purpose of constructing new materials. During the 20th century, Alexander Keiller was an essential figure in the process of restoring and preserving Avebury Stone Circle. Keiller, an archaeologist and wealthy businessman, started purchasing land around Avebury in the 1930s with the intention of maintaining the site's integrity and preventing any additional damage or development. To learn more about the location's history, Keiller decided to concentrate his efforts on re-erecting fallen stones and excavating significant locations. Additionally, he utilized the most cutting-edge archaeological tools available at the time, such as aerial photography and meticulous recording techniques. His work not only stabilized the site, but also provided crucial insights into its original structure and purpose. Additionally, Keiller established a museum in Avebury, which is now known as the Alexander Keiller Museum. The museum's purpose is to enlighten the general public about the significance of the site by displaying artifacts. His dedication safeguarded Avebury for future generations, enabling ongoing research and public appreciation. Despite extensive archaeological research, Avebury Stone Circle remains enigmatic. We will never solve this mystery, as the precise function and significance of the stone arrangement remain unknown. Some researchers have hypothesized that the location may have been an astronomical calendar that was in sync with the occurrences of the heavens. Some individuals believe that it could have been a map of the local area or a representation of the Neolithic period's cosmology. Archaeologists have discovered archaeological evidence of human burials within the site, adding an additional layer of mystery to the location's significance. Due to the lack of written documents from that era, there is a tremendous deal of room for interpretation, which in turn fuels an inexhaustible supply of speculation and curiosity. When compared to other sites that are comparable, like Stonehenge, Avebury Stone Circle exposes both similarities and distinctions between the two entities. Stonehenge features meticulously carved stones that align with the sun, while Avebury boasts a more rustic and broader layout. While both locations may have served ceremonial purposes, Avebury's sheer size and openness suggest a unique form of community interaction. Avebury is associated with a significant number of paranormal notions, which adds to the mystery surrounding the location. Ley lines, which are imaginary alignments of landmarks that are believed to hold spiritual energy, are frequently associated with the location in question. Some fans claim that Avebury is the center point of these lines, contributing to the mysterious air that surrounds it. Numerous reports of paranormal experiences at Avebury lend the site an otherworldly significance. Despite lacking scientific evidence, these tales add to Avebury's fascination and draw in individuals interested in the supernatural. In the vicinity of the stone circle or within the circle itself, numerous people have reported seeing apparitions or ghosts that appear to be walking around. People frequently report seeing figures dressed in antique clothes, such as gowns or cloaks, with hoods placed over their heads. Many assert that they have witnessed these beings moving among the stones or disappearing into the surrounding countryside. Numerous reports of strange lights, either within the circle itself or hovering above it, have surrounded the stone circle. Orbs, balls, and flashing patterns describe these lights. It is believed that they are distinct from traditional sources of illumination, such as flashlights or lanterns. Several visitors have reported hearing voices or sounds unique to the stone circle, even in the absence of any obvious source. Some of these sounds include chanting and whispering, while others include undefined music or the sound of footfall. During their time at the Stone Circle, a few people who consider themselves to be sensitive to psychic or spiritual energy have claimed to have had visions, received premonitions, or experienced heightened intuitive senses. During their time inside the Stone Circle, several people reported having weird temporal distortions, or the impression that they were seeing shifts in reality. The sensation that one has suddenly gone into a different time period or dimension is a common way to describe these kinds of encounters. Remember that many paranormal experiences are subjective and anecdotal, and that people frequently contest the legitimacy of these experiences. On the other hand, the recurrent accounts of such events have enhanced the mystique and fascination of the Avebury Stone Circle, positioning it as a destination for individuals seeking a connection with the supernatural or unexplainable phenomena. Despite its age, the Avebury Stone Circle continues to be a fascinating location that combines history, mystery, and legend. Its sheer size and complexity of construction are testaments to its creator's inventiveness, while its purpose and significance continue to astound. Whether viewed as an architectural marvel, a spiritual center, or a significant location for paranormal activity, Avebury is a testament to the everlasting human drive to comprehend the past and its mysteries.